So, the challenge with productivity is to break down the barriers depicted here with the brick walls. So, together, it's cohesive data flow, but separated silos. Everyone can adopt best in class solutions, but if they don't talk to each other between groups within the organization, they're kind of just fancy tools, right? So when you bring together manufacturing and PLM, it's going to break down those barriers, and the communication is going to flow from what to build, how to be built, how was it built. So this gets into the execution side in an MES way, and then how is it maintained? So what's really important too is you see there's not necessarily arrows just driving left to right, but also the data has to flow backwards as well. And it has to bridge the gap between the departments where users all have a role and have a responsibility on maintaining that single source of data truth. So it's really closed loop manufacturing. So just to set the bar, because I know some folks are on that have adopted already Teamcenter, our PLM suite. So here's where Teamcenter Manufacturing, the module that we're going to talk about today, that lives within that suite. And don't be concerned if you don't have the full PLM suite, you can still operate and just adopt the Teamcenter Manufacturing module within. There's a foundation license that the plugin is able to operate on. You don't have to have the full PLM suite. There is a lot of value in that, and with closed loop manufacturing, because you can then leverage all the PLM tools. However, if you have just a doc management system that's driving into Teamcenter Manufacturing module and then accomplishing the strong manufacturing task of combining your EBOM, BOE, MBOM to bill of production, bill of process, you can do that as well. So kind of live somewhere in the middle, because it's pulling data from a lot of different sources to build that documented process.